Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. Today our inspirational video takes us back to our house and it's going to be about mirrors. So what to discuss about mirrors? First and foremost, mirrors give a lot of sense of space. It's not because we're vain, but because the space looks much bigger and brighter. If you have followed the episode on lampshades and lighting, then you can understand that when you put some light in front of a mirror, that light doubles. So you have more light and more sense of space. We're going to show you some of our mirrors and from where we got them, how we redecorated them, and also some of them were even picture frames, and we decided to put mirrors instead and give them some bit of Rescoli love. So let's start the process and let's get on with our mirrors. Follow us. Now, this is the dining area. As you can see, it's very eclectic. It has many different pieces of furniture, many colored and some left in wood. But this is mainly the dining area. And this dining area has a lot of mirrors. We're starting off with this one, which is a souvenir from abroad. Then we have this piece here that we did an episode on a couple of years ago. It's called Dusty, in memory of our lost cat. And then going forward, we have this small mirror which we painted in a stain. So as you can see, when there's the reflection, the rest of the room shows in the mirror. So it gives a sense of greatness in the room. Here we have this classical mirror, and as you can see also we have, apart from the wall fixtures, we have this lampshade that we already discussed, but then it gives a lot of space. So if I go back, you can mainly see the whole room in the mirror here. Excuse our clock. We'll soon have another one ticking. And here we have another big one, which is on this side. So when you're sitting on the table, there's this sense that the dining room is much bigger than it actually is. And here we did some hornblower on the frame and some frenchic mixed with cool copper and then some browning wax. So this is the dining room. This is a small mirror that we managed to acquire, but it was quite a bargain. We love the shape, and so we hung it into the entryway. And in the shade, in the reflection of the mirror, you can see there's a piece of furniture, and it keeps on reflecting on itself. So we're going on this side, and this piece of furniture here is painted. Obviously, we left some of it in wood, and it has also a high mirror reflecting on the rest of the room. Now, if we go on this side, here we have two small mirrors. We have this one over here with a candle, and this we painted some time ago. It was all in wood. Then we decided to do some blue so that it contrasts to the rough wall at the back of it. And on this side here, we have this small piece of furniture that it has 3 small mirrors. We painted also in a shabby chic style, and it's really lovely, contrasting to the wall. So this mirror here was our first upcycled piece of furniture quite some time ago. We got this for free. It was in wood, and then we painted it in white and did some gold and brown wax on it to make it look aged. And these are some of its details over here and over here. So you can see the reflection of the lampshade in it, and also all the reflection of all the living room here. So if I move here, you can see the reflection and all other mirrors. We have another one here just next to it, and you can see our library that we had discussed on YouTube already. And then when we move anti-clockwise, we have a small marbled one here, and then this fantastic mirror over here, which is very classical, and we did nothing to it, just tried to clean it a bit. And we love the effect on the stone. And here we have this one over here. It's made of olive wood. It's all made by hand, and it's really beautiful. This used to be in our bedroom, but then we decided to enjoy it a little bit more, because this room is the room that we practically live in, and obviously we wanted this effect to be long lasting and that we can enjoy. And here we have this one. This was actually was a picture frame, and we changed to a mirror. We painted in white old sage, some French sheen, and some browning wax. And you can see it's nondescript on the wall, but we love it because we have so many other mirrors that make all the difference. And also, as you can see, you can keep on seeing the room through the mirrors. This is our study, and from the mirror you can see the kitchen. This mirror we painted in red. It was all dark wood, and next to it there is this little mirror as well, just to make some contrast with the wall. This study is very small, and it has practically 7 mirrors in it. So there's this one over here with the lamppost reflecting in it, a smaller one here. And then we got this mirror as well, which is a rounded one, which is also mid-century. We did nothing to it, just hung it on the wall, and it made all the difference. And next to it there's this little one here, which is in Moroccan style. And finally we have this little one here in this corner, which is really petite and lovely. And when the mirrors look like this, when they have all these faults and imperfections, for us they are much more precious, because they show their age and they show their use. Hello, and thank you very much for watching us once again on our YouTube channel, RescoliByCarlo. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is RescoliByCarlo now. You know it by heart. This is us trying to inspire you into making the best decisions that you can take to redecorate your house with beautiful things, aesthetical niceties, and the place where you would rather spend the rest of your life with as little as possible expense, but with a lot and a lot of heart. See you next time on our weekly episodes. Thank you very much. Ta-ta. Thank you very much for watching us. Where am I? Here. Hello, thank you very much for watching us on